Point clouds have received a massive overhaul in Revit 2014. Sure, we had the ability of bringing points into Revit 2013, but they really did not look very good. Here we see an example in 2013. Probably one of the biggest weaknesses is we were really limited to the number of points, and we also were not able to bring the color data in with the point cloud. So that made it really difficult to be able to see the features you were working with within the point cloud. So let me jump over to Revit 2014. Here we see those points actually have RGB values that are associated to them, and when I zoom, we're able to see just a night and day difference with the way that the point clouds look in Revit 2014. So having the color data is a wonderful improvement, plus the performance in the viewport is again just a night and day difference. They've also dramatically improved the snapping capability, so not only do we snap to the points, but Revit is now able to detect coplanar points, so it makes it much easier for creating our walls, creating the roofs, floors, etc. Now I just want to point out that behind the scenes here, not only did they make improvements to the point cloud engine, they've actually completely replaced the technology for viewing those point clouds with an entirely different engine. It's called Recap, or Reality Capture, and it exists not only in Revit 2014 but also in AutoCAD 2014 and Navisworks.